Welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking into the laws of indices. Make sure you watch this video to the end and pay prompt attention so that you can understand all that will be said. Alright, let's go into it. Now the first law we're looking at today is the multiplication law. Multiplication law. That says that when you have a base raised to a power multiplied by another base which is the same, raised to another power, then you have the base raised to the addition of the powers. The base raised to the addition of the powers. Note, the base must be same. The base must be what? The same. Now the second law we have is the division law. Division law. Is the division law. So if you have the base raised to a power divided by the same base raised to another power, then you have the base raised to the power of the first power minus the second power. So that is when you have division, you do subtraction of power. When you have what? Division, you do subtraction of power. Now, the third law we're going to look at is called the zero index. Zero index. This says that anything raised by 0 is 1. Anything raised by 0 is 1. Q raised by 0 is 1. 1 million raised by 0 is 1. That's that. For that, then we have the product law. We have the product law. Product law. It can be in two forms. You have it as this. You have A raised by B close bracket C. Then it means A raised by the product of the powers. The product of the powers. You also have this form. You have A times B. A multiplied by B raised power C. Then individually they take the power. Individually they take the power. The sign does not change. Individually they take the power. Then the fifth law we have the fifth law. The fifth law we have is the law of reciprocal. Law of reciprocal. It says when you have a base raised to a negative power, then you have the inverse of the base raised to the positive power. The inverse of the base raised to the positive power. Then you have the fractional law. The fractional law. So this says that when you have a base raised to a fraction, then the denominator of the fraction becomes the root to the base. Becomes the what? The root to the base, and the numerator of the fraction becomes the power to the base. Becomes the what? The power to the what? To the base. Then we have the exponent law. We have the exponent law. And this can also be in two forms. We have the first one can be when you have x raised to power b equals to x raised to power c. Therefore, this implies that b is equals to c. Note, these b's are the same. You can also have if x raised to power b is equals to y raised to power b. It implies that x is equals to y. Note, these power are the same. So these are the laws of indices that we're going to be looking at today. Don't forget, the first one is your multiplication law. The second one is the division law. The third one is the zero index, which is n raised to power 0 is 1. The fourth one is your product law. The product law, which you can have in two forms. Don't forget. Then the law of reciprocal, which says that when you have a negative power to your base, then you take the inverse of that base to a positive power. Then you have the fractional law and you have the exponent law. So make sure you watch this video again if you don't understand or know all these laws. Then see you in the next video. Bye.